Jamaica's debt dilemma, the China connection, a JC's special report. Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into issues shaping our world. Today we are talking about Jamaica's staggering debt and its significant ties to China. Stick around as we uncover the complexities of this economic web. Jamaica finds itself owing a whopping $53.9 billion to foreign governments and agencies. What's even more eye-opening is that nearly half of this debt is owed to just one country, China. Let's unpack the implications of this financial entanglement. China plays a pivotal role in Jamaica's debt landscape. But what does this mean for Jamaica's economy, sovereignty, and future development? Let's take a closer look. China's investment in Jamaica have largely focused on infrastructure, projects like roads, ports, and energy facilities. These develops have undoubtedly brought progress to the island, but they also raised important questions about dependency and control. The heavy reliance on Chinese loans poses risks for Jamaica's economic autonomy. In the event of repaying challenges, Jamaica may face pressure to make concessions that impact the sovereignty and long-term interests. Beyond the financial intricacies, the debt burden has real-world implications for everyday Jamaicans. From healthcare to education, the debt has strained Jamaica's ability to provide essential services to its citizens. The consequences are felt far and wide, underscoring the urgency of addressing this issue. The Jamaican government, however, is actively seeking to restructure its debt and secure a sustainable path forward. But the road to financial stability is complex and fraught with challenges. Stay tuned as we delve into negotiations and potential outcomes. So as we wrap up today's discussion, remember that Jamaica's debt dilemma is not just numbers on a balance sheet. It's about lives and futures of the Jamaican people. Let's keep the conversation going and work towards solutions that benefit everyone. Thanks for watching this video. And if you found this video to be insightful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. And as we always say on this channel, Jay says, and we are out of here.